The Mr. Morris Carstairs electrical visualization, now manipulating your flat plane of light-emitting diodes.
Hello there, Carstairs here, and in this video I'll be making a replacement mainspring for the Ward and Steele Flintlock. And I've got this bar of spring steel here. It's 9.5mm wide and 2mm thick. And if we have a look at the old spring that came out of it, this stuff is just exactly right for making springs for these guns. Get this on eBay. So what I've done is I've annealed it, which just means heating up so it's glowing hot so that I can work with it, because this stuff comes hardened. And I've scored a line halfway along. I'm just going to drill 2 small holes and join them up with a diamond bit on a Dremel, and then file the hole out so that it fits over the shoe there. There we go. Okay. That looks pretty good. Feels good. Yeah. Oh. So much easier. God damn. So I've got my spring bent now. What I'm going to do is file the top of the spring to thin it out so it starts thicker there and then thins out towards the spoon so that it flexes across the spring rather than bending where it's been bent. So I'm at the grinder now and I'm going to start shaping this part here. Need to grind this down so that it's as thick as the width of the hammer there. So when I filed the spring, I obviously put a lot of marks that way, and really you don't want that in case one of them becomes a stress point and snaps the spring. So what I'm going to do is go over this with a finer file and then go lengthways with this flap wheel on a Dremel. This fine file is just to get the deeper marks out. So I'm going to temper the spring now, and the first part of that is to heat it up, it's glowing hot, and then quench it in some oil. You can use water, and then we can put it on a hot plate. I'm just going to fish it out of the oil. Into some tin foil. So I've got the hot plate set for about 350 now. I'm going to put the spring on and leave it for half an hour. So it's been half an hour now. Just take it off and leave it to cool down. spoon's far too forward, it should be back here. What I think I can do is heat this up and then bend it back. Now then, I can hold the spring, so I haven't put heat into the temper of the spring. So I've got it sort of back together now. I'm going to grind off a bit off there, and hopefully that will take us back. Right, that's about where I want to be. Into half there. That's very nice. That's very nice. So I think that's as far as we go in this video. The next video is where things really get interesting. We have to modify this spring and make a new slide for the safety. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and links to buy me a coffee are down in the description. Thanks for watching.